Well, hello everyone. Today, in this video, we are going to learn factorization by using middle term split method. Middle term split method. Let us start the video. So it is from the Maths Link book. It's exercise 10.4. Question number 3. Let us see what is given over here. First question is factorize. And the question is x square plus 3x plus 2. Question number 3a, x square plus 3x plus 2. So how to factorize it? How to change this expression into a product form? It's very easy. It is in form of, the expression is given in form of ax square plus bx plus c. So whenever you get expression like this, trinomial expression like this, we need to know that what we have to do over here is we have to use first into last method, that is also called middle term split method. So this one is the middle term, bx is the middle term, the last term is c, and the first term is ax square. So the question over here that is given x square plus 3x plus 2, in this we have to understand the first term is x square and the last term is 2 and the middle term is 3x, that we have to divide into two parts, split into two parts. Split means divide. So let us divide it. So how to do that? The thing is very simple. We have to multiply the first term and the last term and see what is the result coming. So when we multiply x squared to plus 2, the result will be plus 2x square. The front sign which comes over here plus, that tells us how the middle term will come, by adding or by subtracting. So plus indicates that we have to bring middle term by adding. It means we have to add two terms that should make 3x. So this we have understood by the sign. When we multiplied first term and the last term, and the sign that came in front, that is going to decide whether the middle term should come by adding or by subtracting. So here plus sign came, that is why we understood the middle term should come by adding. When we split, the middle term should come by adding 3x, and by multiplying it should come 2x square. So we are gonna do that. First term will remain same, x square, and the middle term we are going to split. 2x plus x. 2x plus x. So I wrote 3 over there, that is wrong. Now here 2x plus x. By adding it comes 3x. And by multiplying 2x and x, you'll get plus 2x square. So middle term I have split, in which by adding it is coming 3x, and by multiplying it is coming, what is coming by multiplying first into last term, that is plus 2x square. It means we have split in the correct way. Now the last term I am going to write down same to same. So in the first step what we have done is we have split the middle term, that is 3x into 2x plus x. And now in the second step we are going to take common by making a group. So the group of x square and 2x. What do we see over here in these two terms? X is common. So we take x as common. What will be left over there in the first term will be written in the bracket. Then after plus comes down same to same. After that in 2x, x is already out as a common. And what will be left is written in the bracket. So by grouping I have taken common and wrote the remaining part inside the bracket. Similarly in these two we don't find anything common, that is why we will take 1 as common, and the remaining factors, it means that is x plus 2, nothing is common over there, that is why I'll write same to same. I have taken 1 as a common. Now what do you see now between two terms, this and this? X plus 2 is common in both the terms. In both the terms x plus 2 is common, that I'll write over here, and the left one should be written in another bracket. X plus 2 is common, what is left? X plus, what is left in the second term? 1 is left, that will be written over here. In this way we have found the product form for the expression which is in type of ax square plus bx plus 6, ax square plus bx plus c. So let us move to the next question now. Let us see the last question, number F 3f. Question number 3f, we have got the expression x square plus 19x plus 88. In this expression also it is in form of ax square plus bx plus c. We have to split the middle term. Now we have to split the middle term in such a way so that by adding it should come 19 and by multiplying it should come 88x square. So first into last, again I am multiplying, first into last, it is coming plus 88x square. This plus indicates by adding the middle term should come, and by multiplying that two middle terms which we have split, 88x square should come. So let us take that 19, when I will take 11x plus 8x. 11x plus 8x gives 19x. When you multiply plus into plus, plus 11 into 8, 88, x into x square. So in this way we can split the middle term, and that by adding it should come 19, and by multiplying both the middle term it should come whatever the result is by adding first into, by multiplying first into last, that is 88x square. Now here we go, let us take common. X is common between these two terms, remaining we will write it in bracket. Similarly in these two terms, when we will do grouping and take common, 8 is going to be common. What will be left, we will put it in the bracket. See, when I multiply this, I open the bracket, the previous result will come, right? So that is why you should keep checking also the way you are taking common is correct or wrong. Now in both the terms, x plus 11 is common. Take that as common. What will be left, that you will keep aside in another bracket. So here's the product form or the factorization for x square plus 19x plus 88, that is x plus 11 into x plus 8. Moving to question number 2 now. Question number 4. In question number 4, let us see the first one. The first one, what do we see? 4a. In 4a we have x square minus 4x plus 4 Over here again you multiply first into last, what will come? Plus 4x square. It means by adding the middle terms would come. By adding the middle terms would come. Split the middle term. So when I will split it, I will split it in this way, minus 2x minus 2x. When I'll add them, it will come minus 4x. When I multiply this middle term, splitted one, minus my minus into minus plus 2x into 2x, 4x square. By multiplying, it should come this much. Okay, so this is how it is done. 4 will drop down. Again, grouping by grouping x square and minus 2x, we take common x and x minus 2. The left one will be written in the bracket. Similarly, in these two terms also, what do we see? 2 is going as common and whatever left will be written inside the bracket. Over here you see I didn't write plus, I wrote minus over here because bracket has been applied. When bracket will be applied and minus sign is in front, that takes action over here, like minus into minus plus. So that is why plus is converted into minus while using the bracket. Let us go ahead. You see in the first term and the second term x minus 2 is common. What is left over here? X minus 2, another x minus 2 is left. I have written this x and this minus 2. After taking common, this x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay, let us see another question now. Question number 4. 4e. Let us see question number 4e. 4e we have p square minus 11p plus 28. Again, let us multiply first into last. What do you get? Plus 28p square. So plus means by adding. When we split this 11p, so by adding that two terms, two split terms, it should come 11p, and by multiplying it should come plus 28p square. So what is the way that we are going to do? There is a technique also that is to be find, but I will just teach you later on. Yes, when we will have a bigger number after multiplying first into last technique, I'll teach how to find out the middle terms. Now the orally we can be able to do. Now p square. Now here we can see if when I will add 7p and 4p, minus 7 and minus 4, both are minus will be added. 7 and 4 added, it will become minus 11p, and then when we multiply this minus 7p and minus 4p, it will come plus 28p square. So in this way we can split the middle term. Let us take common by making a group. P is common over here. P minus 7 over here in these two terms. Minus 4 is common. It will be also P minus 7. Let us see I. Minus into plus, minus 4 into P, 4P, minus into minus, plus 4 7 ja 28. 28 is the product of 4 and 7. So 4 is here in 28 also and 4 is over here also. That is common in between 4 and 28. That I have taken common in front, and remaining factor I wrote inside the bracket. Now you see P minus 7 and P minus 7 common. The left one in another bracket, it can be written. This is how the factorization can be done in question number 4. Okay, let us move to question number 5 now. Question number 5, let me do question number 5a first. Question number 5a. Question number 5a, we have y square plus 8y minus 9. Let us multiply first into last. What do you get? Plus y square and minus 9 become 9 minus 9y square. Now the sign coming in front is minus. It means by subtracting we should get the middle term 8y. So what are the two numbers when we subtract? Then it should come 8y, and that two numbers, when I multiply it should come minus 9y square. So that can be y square plus 9y minus y. So if I'll subtract from 9, this y means 1y. So 9y minus 1y, it is 8y. And when I'll multiply plus into minus, minus 9y into y, 9y square. See, by multiplying I am getting the term, the result of first into last, and by subtracting I am getting the middle term. So this is how it is done. Now let us take common by making a group. Y is common in between this first and second term. What are the leftovers? I'll write it in the bracket. Y plus 9. Similarly, over here in these two there is nothing common. I'll take minus 1 as common. And this will be written like y plus 9 now, not minus. Because bracket has been used over here and in front there is a minus sign. So this minus will take action over here. This minus into plus, minus 1 into y. Minus into plus, minus 1 into 9, 9. This is multiplication rule. Now you see in these two terms what is common. Y plus 9 is common. And what will be the leftovers will be written in another bracket. So this is the product form for the expression y square plus 8y minus 9. Now let us go to another question, in question number 5 only. Let us see another question. E. Question number 5E. Question number 5E, we have a square plus 5ab minus 84b square. So this is the question. Again we multiply first into last. If we multiply first into last, plus a square into minus 84y, the result is going to be minus 84 a square b square. It symbolizes that minus is in front. It symbolizes that by subtracting the middle term should come, that is 5ab. It should come by subtracting two terms. When they subtract each other it should come 5ab, and when that two terms should be multiplied it should come 84a square b square. Now the bigger number is coming. So another technique to find out is, let us factorize this 84. What do you get? 2 into 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 42. After that again this 42, it is going to be factorized to 2 into 21. Again this 21 is going to be factorized into 3 into 7. At last what do you get? This is tree diagram method factorization. The last column that you are getting is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. From here only you are going to decide what will be the middle term. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 7 if you will do, you will not get 5. Will you get 5? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 7. If I'll do, what do I get? I'll get 5. Yes, that's the thing that we are going to get, 5. And if you subtract 12 and 7, it is coming 5. If you multiply 12 and 7, what do you get? 12 7 ja 84. It means this 12 and 7 is going to be the two middle split terms. So let us take that. A square plus 12ab minus 7ab. By subtracting 12 and 12ab and 7ab, we will get plus 5ab. And by multiplying this 12 plus 12ab and minus 7ab, we will get minus 84a square b square. So in this way, we can factorize. We can split the middle term in this way. Now let us take common. What is common between these first two terms? A is common. The remaining one we have to put it in the bracket. That is a plus 12b. Similarly, in these two terms, what is common? We see 7 is common between all because this is 84. 84 means 12 into 7. Here 84 has two terms, that is 12 and 7. So 7 is common. 7 is common. After that you see B is common. Matching out. Yes, so what will be left? 7B has gone common. A is left over here. And the minus converts into plus because minus is common over here. Now this in terms of 84, I will write in place of 84 12. 12 I'll write. And one B already gone common, another B I'll put over here. So in both the terms, what do you see? A plus 12 is common. A plus 12 is common. And the remaining term that I'll write in another bracket, that is A minus 7B. This is how question number 5 can be factorized. Now in the next video I'll explain question number 6 and 7. That's all for today. Have a nice day.